Good morning, Monday, November 4th, and today I want to outlook where possibly the dollar is heading. Starting off the yearly, we can see that right now we are at a bullish structure, okay, and we are actually failing to close above um, yearly swing high and respecting yearly GX minus. So these two are giving us bearish um, indications, but since we are displacing and we are creating new yearly G plus, it's still a bullish structure. So what would be very interesting is on the yearly, meaning in a month and 28 days, around 2 months from now, to see where are we closing. If we will close above this level, it would be indication for bullish continuation. And also, this 2023 was a DC, so the open is sensitive in a bullish environment, and closing above this and this will give us an indication for continuation of the bullish momentum. If not, we could consider bearishness on the early, since we are at the premium of this leg. So right now it's more of a waiting time on the yearly with more bullish um, feeling that bearish. So this is the early. Now let's go to the quarterly, and the quarterly is ranging. Okay, we are still trading inside a QG plus and respecting it, pretty much respecting it. Okay, till here we haven't closed past its 50%, but still we are respecting it. We are still bullish on the Q, and we can see how we broke above a Q swing high. So on the quarterly, the structure is still bullish, but if we close below this, this would be a quarterly bearish shift. Right now we are bullish on the quarterly. We could still range and respect this low or this open, and since it's ranging, we can't really outline something very specific, but still we are more bullish than bearish on the quarterly, only if we close below this. Okay, so this was the quarterly, and let's go to the monthly, because this is where it gets more interesting. So we said on the quarterly we are more bullish than bearish, but on the monthly, last month we have inverted a monthly G minus and made it monthly GX plus. So, and also, okay, following a failure to close below a month swing low. So this is, I would say, very bullish. And another thing to note is that we close past this level. Okay, So you can see how we close above the open. So this gives us a bullish, um, it's not a bullish confirmation, but it's a bullish structure on the monthly. Our next obstacle would be to see how we trade around this up close candle. So the UC in a down should resist price, and this would be our next point of interest. Also, you could see how we close past swing highs, like here, like here, and we don't close past swing lows. Only here we closed. Okay, but it's not enough. It's like a minor swing. So also on the monthly we are bullish. Okay, let's go to the weekly. Now to the weekly. Here on the weekly we see a few things. So last week we could see momentum losing because on the last 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks we closed above previous week high, like here, here, and here. But last week, the week of October 28th, we didn't manage to close above a week high, and this gives us some kind of losing momentum. We could consolidate this week or close below this low, and if we close below this low, this gives us bearish indications. Okay, we have this one. We might want to sting this and continue. Okay, it's the weekly G plus, and but if we close below this, we might see some bearish momentum as a pullback. And again, so on the weekly we are like in an uncertain area, like we could range here. We have to know that this week we have two major events. The first one is the U.S. election, and the second event is interest rates decision that will be most likely an ease. And if we ease in interest rates, the dollar should weaken. So this level is important on the weekly. Now, if we go to the daily, we see another picture. So the picture on the daily. Okay, so like you see, it's very interesting because this level is very important on the daily. 100 and 800.800 is a shift on the daily. Is a shift, and you can see how we respected and didn't close past this level. And today on Monday, we are trading right now below it, and we need to see whether we close below or above. If we close below, we are bearish on the daily. If we close above, we are still bullish. Okay, so and this is the premium and discount of this dealing range. Now that's it. On Monday, like on Tuesday, we would like to see where did we close on Monday today, and this level is the weekly low that we outlined, and you can see how this level is very important level also on the daily. And that's it. So right now we are at a decision zone, and the market will show us what it wants to do. And that's it for the dollar. Thank you for listening, and have a peaceful trading, and good luck. God bless you.